for my wedding.
My gender zukwanu nike. Zukwanu nike make una rest. Make the prayers wey they do for una make it work. Which one be rules for my wedding again? My people, if una hear wetin I hear, una go dey shout or guinea na mercy. It be like say men don dey cheap cause a woman wey suffer to get man no go dey make such rules. Hello. For those of una wey dey go wedding, make una go chop rice, free rice, free jollof rice. Do you know that this lady say one of her rules be say for her wedding nobody go shayo, nobody go chop till she says so, and that will be almost to the end of the ceremony. If you see rules, I gotta wanna make una hear wetin she talk. Grab your popcorn cause this matter e long well. I'm about Cindy, play us the video make we hear.
Rules for my wedding. Let's go. Number 1, no kids. I do not need children screaming, crying, running around. I don't need any of that. You will receive at least a 3-month notice so that you will have time to figure out where you're going to put those kids. Number 2, respect the time. If I say 8 o'clock, I don't care if you showed up at 8:05, the doors will be shut. This thing with black people time or African time, that's not going to fly with me. That is not cute. It's actually very disrespectful. At 8 o'clock, I will be entering with my husband in our bridal party, and we don't need that to be interrupted by people trying to enter the room. Those doors will not open back up until we finish our entrance. Number 3, respect the dress code. The dress code will be formal attire. You try to enter with a pair of jeans, you are not coming in. You enter with a mini skirt, get off the premises. Number 4, speaking of dress code, do not wear white. I will make sure that security does not let you enter. Number 5 is iffy because I understand that there are people that would want to bring their significant others to slow dance with and to just have as their person for the occasion. But right now, I'm on the fence of no +1s. I understand that you would like to bring your spouse. That's one thing. But one thing that I will not negotiate is you bringing your friends. I know you, not your friends. Do not bring your friends. 6, no drinking before the wedding, period. Not the ceremony. Oh my God, not the ceremony or the reception. You will be escorted. 7, if you are high, you are not entering. Last but not least, no willy-nilly speeches. My father giving a speech, my brother giving a speech, my uncle, my bridesmaids, the best man, one of the groomsmen, that all makes sense. But I don't need some auntie that held me when I was 2 making a speech for my wedding. For what? With all that being said, those are my rules.
Miami ball lovers, which of her rules shock you? Make I know here say none of them shock you, cause one will definitely shock you. As she dey talk and we go dey say the one wey shock me na that eating part, that jollof rice. Another one be kids. But at a point I say yes. In some weddings, kids, yes, some weddings no need kids, you understand. But that eating part, now that one shock me past, make I no lie. Or yeah, drop the one wey shock you for comment section. See you guys on my next episode. Don't forget to like, follow this channel for more ogbonge news dey totori body. Una now see they do am for here. For my page, now Proko news we dey share. Updates wey dey totori body now I dey share for my page. If this is your first time coming across my channel, you're welcome. My name is Cindy Gist TV. Do well to like, okay? Scroll down, you see interesting videos that will hook you up to watch. For my page, no dull moment at all. It's your one and only amiibo girl Cindy. Stay safe out there. Ngwanu. Bye.